Okay everyone, so let's take a look at this remote control right here. So you're gonna find 4 modes. You're gonna find the auto mode, the low mode, medium and high mode. So depending on which one you wanna use, we're gonna keep it in the high mode. We usually keep the airflow in 65. So here you can actually adjust it. Let's take a look at the swing option. So you have the swing option where you're gonna see this part moving down. Whatever you want to stop it, you can just click it again and adjust it that way. You have the echo, so the eco-friendly. You have an anti-mildew as well that you can use. You have a timer, depending if you're gonna leave and you just wanna keep it on for 2 or 3 hours. You have the sleep mode as well. You're gonna see a little moon in there. The displayed mode, if you wanna choose to have the temperature showing on the AC, or if you just wanna take it off, you can just click on the display mode. If you just wanna use the fan, you can use the fan as well. Super easy to use, friendly user. This is the outdoor unit, guys. As you can see, it's already installed, perfectly installed. We show you already the indoor unit working perfectly. It felt great. The filters are removable and washable. As you can see, those are the filters right there.